That scale better be broken. I give up. I just give up. This body's retaining more water than the Titanic. Wait a minute. What's that smell? Vanilla pudding. My favorite. Vanilla pudding. Vanilla pudding.
I'm sorry, but Miss Bell says you need to lose weight.
Just one sniff. One good sniff could tide me over to lunch.
Okay, but just one. No, Mabel, you better not tempt yourself.
Do you know what I go through day in, day out? There's the sore muscles and the back pain and the sweat. But more than that, I can't eat. Oh God, save this hungry soul. Take me now, Jesus, and get it over with. Oh Lord, give me a sign. Give me a call on your heavenly line. Tell me, oh Lord, what it is that you want of me. Keep me from eating whatever's in front of me. Oh Lord, give me a sign. Call me up on your heavenly line. Tell me, oh, save me from eating what's in front of me. Oh Lord, give me the answer. Save me from being the world's biggest dancer. Oh yeah. Come to think of it, I don't know why any of us would want to be dancers. Dancers are always the first ones to arrive and the last ones to leave.
We work harder than anyone. Sweat more, hurt more, get paid less.
You know, you're right. It don't pay to be a dancer. So that's it. I'm changing my major. Mabel Washington's gonna be an actress, y'all. And as God is my witness,